We'll talk about standard and important basic menu and options in Microsoft Word. So whenever I click anywhere in Microsoft Word, you can see this blinking vertical line. This is called insertion point. So you can put the insertion point anywhere you want. And also, if you insert an image using insert and the pictures and picture from file, you can insert an image here. Whenever you select the image, you can find the new contextual tab. Contextual tab. So normally if you don't choose the image, it doesn't show at all. But if you choose an image, it shows. This is called contextual tab. Whenever you go there, you can see that wrap text. You can choose that one. Normally it's in line with text. You can position that one to square. Then you can position it like so. And you can choose other options for sure. And also, for example, if you want to change this word to something else, you can actually change that one too as well. You can go to edit menu. You can find replace. So over here, you can type this, you can change that onto that. Then replace all. If you have more than one instance, then it'll be changed to the new word. And spelling and grammar, for example, suppose that you have this instead of on and are, you can change that one to correct it. So on the review, you can find spelling and grammar. You can change that one. So before you do that, you need to select the first part of the text and go here. You can find that that one is wrong. So you need to switch it to A, on. So now it's changed. So this is how you check the spelling and grammar, or you can go to editor, you can do it as well. And also, if you go to home button, home menu, you can see that home menu, you can see that there is a show hide paragraph symbol. If you click that on to show the paragraph symbol, it shows like this. This is called hard return. So if you just press enter, it shows hard return like so. But if you press over here, I'll do it. Shift enter, you can see that that one shows this, that one shows this. This is called soft return. So you can do soft return one more time here as well. So whenever you double click it, it'll select one word. If you triple click it, you will select all the one paragraph to the end. But if you go here, you can see that if you double click it, triple click it, you can see that it select up to here. So it doesn't matter how many you have the soft return, it'll be inside one paragraph. So this is called soft return. This one is called hard return. And also, for example, that one, if you want to double click that point, if you want to replace this word with another similar word, you can find the synonyms. You can actually change that one to something else, or even you can change it to like a topic. Just click that one, you can replace it. And also, there is a theme on the design. You can find a theme here. So suppose that you choose like a gallery theme here, it'll change the styles and even the color options as well. For example, over here, you will find, you can actually choose another style on the theme. So always you need to select the themes and you need to go to the styles later. So you can choose this one like so. And that means if you have one special themes, probably the color option will show the different color options here too. So if you don't choose the proper theme, probably it's hard to find the proper color. So be careful whenever you apply a theme. And also I'll talk about the page break here. So for example, if I go to insert, you can find page break. So if I go there, if you click page break, it will create a page break. There is another way to create a page break is Control Enter or Command Enter will create a page break like so. Now it shows a page break here. And also there is a section break as well. Suppose that you need to have a section break here then you need to go to the layout. You can find the breaks and you can find this continuous. That is a section break. That is section break. Okay. So that is different from page break. And also if you go to view, you can find this print layout. Even you can change it to web layout, outline, and draft as well, like so. So we'll go to print layout. Whenever you work on your Word file, you need to use print layout though. And also, if you go to file and print, actually you can change the page numbers that you want to print, or if like a all or current page, or you can set from which page to which page. Or page range, if you want to print from 3 to 4, you can do it like so. But if you want to paint only the first one, it shows like this one. This is the print preview will show here. And also I'm using Mac, so I can go to Word and preferences. You can find the general, and over here you can change the unit here for Windows. You can change the unit from inches to centimeters or centimeters to inches from File, Options, Advanced, Display. Then you can find the location where you can change the unit from centimeters to inches or from inches to centimeters. And also, if you go to File and Properties, this is Mac, you can see that there is a summary. The keyword is same as tags, T-A-G-S, okay? So this is a text. So you can put the tag here, tag name here, and author's name here as well. And also title here as well. And you can share documents here on OneDrive as well. And also you can count the word inside here as well. So that is under tools for sure. Okay, for example, over here, go home, you can find the how many words here as well. Okay, this is how you can find, and also on the tools, you can find word count. Now it shows there are 6 words and how many characters, 55. You can find this information here. And also you can find the watermark on the design tab. You can find this watermark, you can apply it. So no watermark to picture or text. For example, that ASAP will show here as well. You can change the transparency or the size or the font type and even font color like so. And also, if you go to design and you can find the page borders, you can have this page border assigned, like for example, box, and you can change the style to even double line, dual line, and we will change the color and also width. And also you can try other art here as well. But if you do that, it shows the page border here. So this is the basic menu and functions in Microsoft Word.